because we are here today for a very special occasion.
Yeah! Woohoo!
It is imperative that we reestablish sanity and supremacy before it is too late. Our numbers are waning.
If you're gonna watch, keep it
Thanks
quiet.
to the
Supreme
fools
one's talking.
in Congress and
sons of
their
bitches.
ludicrous ideas.
Damn!
But today, we grow one
Yeah!
stronger
Woohoo! Yeah!
as we anoint a new brother
Yeah!
into
You
our
know it.
sacred cause.
Yeah!
Please
Woohoo!
step forward and kneel.
All right. Hey!
Do you choose to accept the light?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Thank you very much. All right.
Come on! Let
There we go.
the eternal light shine.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Wait! Where y'all going? Come back! Come back! You there. You just stood and watched a good man die. And did nothing.
Seems like maybe that's a sign, eh?
A test, that's all. A test of devotion to our great cause.
You're just a bunch of morons in ridiculous outfits, which makes you the prize moron.
You dirty son of a bitch! I'll show you. Pathetic!
Goddamn hooded rodents. I'll kill all you bastards.
Ugh!